Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shykoh. If it's your first time here, you're very much welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. On today's video, I am going to be showing you guys some furnished apartments. So if you are interested in that kind of video, keep on watching.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
The apartment that I will be taking you to today is a one-bedroom furnished apartment at Silverstone Apartments in Kilimani. It's actually an Airbnb and it's by Jabali Luxury, and all the details will be on the description box below. But basically Silverstone Apartments has a lot of a number of 146 apartments and one bedrooms and two bedrooms. Basically focus is on the specific house that I'll be staying at. But if you need more details about the Silverstone Apartments, you can just Google that and find more information on the internet, because I saw they actually rent both furnished and both unfurnished apartments, the 1 and 2 bedrooms.
This apartment is like a vacational rental or an Airbnb, and it's by Jabali Luxury Apartments. They have a number of apartments, and in here you can see they have brochures of the various apartments that you can check out, so that in case another time you want to try their another house of theirs, you can be able to get all details there. You enter, this is what you see. This is actually a 1-bedroom apartment. The details for me, look at that deco piece. It's so amazing, and it's actually moving. Can you see that? It's so amazing. And then look at this. How beautiful is this? I have not seen such simple yet classy deco. And then we have this piece over there, and I really love the gold and mustard yellow vibe here. And here they have YouTube Premium, so no ads when you're watching your favorite YouTube video. And they have Netflix. How amazing is that? And they also have DSTV in case you want to watch games. And then they have Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi password is just here. I really love these vases and the gold detail on them. So amazing. The table is also so cute, and look at that carpet, guys. How beautiful is this? This house has a touch of elegance and class that I really love. You have recliner seats, so you have comfort when you're watching the telly. And look at this light over here. Also gold, a touch of gold as well. Beautiful, beautiful. And the window is so huge. Look at that window. So this room is well lit because of this window. So let me show you guys the balcony. Yeah, here we go. You can see how huge this building is. I can hardly take a shot up to the roof. It's so huge. But this is the view outside. The view at night was amazing. We'll include a clip of how it looks at night. You have a very, very beautiful view. Oh, and on this side we have more deco pieces with a touch of gold again. And we have this. This actually lights up. Let me show you how it looks when it lights up. It's a mirror, but when you light it up, look at that. That's that side of the house. This is the view of the kitchen from the sitting room, and it's an open kitchen. This is how it looks like, with enough storage. Yeah, have a sink. The sink can produce either hot or cold water. As you guys can see, there's a water heater. The heater is on, and you turn this to that side. You see, it actually has hot water. And you have the utensils that you need here. Here are the cooking stuff, the utensils, the pans, anything that you need. Then here down we have a place to store the utensils once you wash them. Look at these beautiful knives that they have, so amazing. Loved this. Then you have a microwave, of course. Here is the cooker, and then look at how gorgeous this is. You have a kettle, you have a toaster, you have coffee, tea leaves, anything that you need to make yourself a hot cup of tea or coffee. And you have more storage here. I don't know if there is anything here. Yeah, they have cooking oil, salt, and a sugar dish. Though you have to buy sugar and the rest of the spices. But yeah, that's how it looks like. You know what this is? It's the storage. And then of course you have the fridge that I have put my little things to prepare breakfast. You also have this, the spoons, everything that you need. That's a chopping board, and these are papers for shopping. Nice. And then more space over here. So if you're coming here for an extended stay, honestly you're sorted because there's enough space. And then I didn't show you guys, there's a bin over here. Yeah, there is a bin and it's lockable. So when you come this way, you have the bedroom over here. Let's first go to the bedroom. One bedroom apartment. The theme here is orange, a touch of orange. I love these storage boxes, they look amazing. So have this to help with mosquitoes, but I didn't really experience a lot of mosquitoes at night. You can see the window is also huge. And the curtains are orange. Very nice curtains, by the way. And then there is the bed, touch of orange. You have a side bed and a side lamp. That's how the side lamp looks when lit. Okay, we have a bin here, and I love this piece of art. Of course, you have enough storage space, and at the middle here you have a mirror. This is how the storage space looks like. You actually have an extra duvet because this Nairobi weather is no joke at the moment. You have also, I don't know, this is a carpet. You have these drawers as well. It's where they put extra towels, and there's an extra sheet. Then you can hang your clothes there. Of course, more storage up there. And you also have this. where I've put my suitcase actually. And you also have storage on the side beds. Yeah, it's amazing. Outside here, there is a balcony as well. So you can sit here and enjoy a drink as you have this amazing view of Nairobi. This view at night was really nice. And the floor in the bedroom is mkeka, so you can say goodbye to cold feet. Have a sink there, a towel over here, soap, tissue, all the essentials that you need. But can you see how classy this toilet is? Like this thing, it's amazing. This is where you flush. And this is where you hang the towels. So directly outside is the entrance to the sitting room, and over here is the store. So in the store, that's where you have hanging lines in case you're staying here for an extended period of time. That's where you have the water heater. There is a sink here, and I think this is the water heating system or something. Yeah. That's it, you guys. That is it here. I'm at the 14th floor. I've come to check out the pool area and the gym. Also, they have a smoking zone. Yeah, so this is the smoking zone area on the 14th floor, which is the rooftop, and it's wide, very wide. This is the pool area. It's a small, nice pool. And there is some sort of resting area over here. So the pool and gym is free. You have a very nice view. So there's also a changing room here. There's a shower actually. There is a toilet. There is these two things, and so it's hot water. Amazing. Amazing. And I think this is where you change. This place is so clean, and the lifts are enough actually. There are other lifts on the other side, and look at this, it's beautiful. Opposite you can see it's a whole shopping center. There is Big Knife, there is Quick Mart, and matatus are just passing here.
For more details, check out the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.